Yeah, welcome back, guys. It's your boy Graphic Design here. Hope you guys are doing great. On this video, I'll be showing us how to design a birthday flyer with our smartphone and PixelLab editing. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I will be showing you a step by step on how you can achieve that. It is very simple, but it looks professional. Alright, you'll be achieving something exactly the way you are seeing it on the thumbnail. So I will be using voice note to explain this so that it will be on your best understanding to understand what I am doing and how I am using my tones. Okay, without wasting much of your time, if you are new here, I do share tips about graphics. If you love the type of content, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we update our channel with a new tutorial like this. Alright guys, let's go there. For the size, we're going to leave it the way it is, and then we're going to make use of this white. Then I will bring out a shape. Alright, so I will give it a radius, and then I will just crop it like this. So let's give it 30. Let's make the radius 30, and then just do something like this. So if there is any adjustment, we are going to do it later in the day, but for now let's go with this. Then go to your texture, click on texture, then click on the image, and then we're going to go with this image, import it like this, then scan it, increase it, just click on the plus sign, then click OK. All right, then we're going to give it a stroke. Alright, just go to your stroke, then open your stroke. We are going to give it this particular color, then make the stroke 10. Alright, cool. I think that is okay. Then we're going to take it up like this. Cool. Then go to your relative position it at the center like this. Cool. Then lock it. Alright, haven't achieved that. The next that we're going to do now, we're going to bring out a text. Just go to your text, then just tap happy. All right, just tap happy, then click OK, then position it here. The next thing that I want to do now, I'm going to go to fonts. Just go to your fonts, then give it this. No, let's go with this. That is a font that I used recently. Okay, I think that's the fonts. Then click OK. Then I go to my style, then I bold it, just bold it like this. Then for the color, we're going to give it a gradient. Just go to your gradient. That's the gradient that I use. You can see how I do achieve it, so do your as well. All right, so I don't want to waste much of your time in this video. I just want it to be a few minutes. All right, then position it at the center like this, then go to your text again. We're going to bring out another text, capitalize this. All right, okay, we're going to say birthday. All right, just tap birthday, then position it here. Then for the fonts, go to your fonts, then give it this particular fonts, then click OK. Then for the color, give it this color. Then for the size, you can increase the size like this, then position it at the center, then take it up. Okay, cool, like this should be okay. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to bring out a shape. So but before then, let me bring out a text first. Copy this. I'm going to use the same fonts, then tap the name of the brand. I don't know the person name, but you can tap any the brand name. So that is the brand name that I'm going to use. Then I will reduce the size like this, then I will position it at the center like this. So what I'll do next is I'll go to my shape, then I will give it a radius, then of course I'll crop it like this. Okay, and then before I continue, I will give it a color, a black color, to see if it's fitted. Then I will reduce the size Okay, cool. I think I can go with this. Then position it at the center like this. Then let it be at the back of this text like this. Cool. Then let's arrange this. So we need to change the color of this to white. Then just increase it a little bit, make it 14, then position it at the center of the box like this. Cool, that is okay. So what I will do next is let me see if I can adjust this up a little, because I have text to import. Okay, cool. Then adjust the text as well. Cool, that is okay. Then you can lock it so that it won't interrupt. All right, let's lock this. So what I will do next is I will go to my text. So I actually copied the birthday wish already. So all I need to do, I will just place it here and then click OK and then position it here. Then I will likely to reduce the size, then just make it a 2-line. Then go to alignment, position it at the center alignment, then reduce the size. Cool. Then position it at the center like this. So we're going to take this down a little bit, position it here like this. Cool. So we are going to make it a little bit dark. All right, just do something like this. Cool, that is okay. And then I'll go to my shape, then just crop it like this. So we're going to give it this color. Cool, crop it like this, then position it at the center, then take it up, let it be at the middle like this. So having done that, what I will do next is I will go to my shape again, then I will give it this particular shape, then the opacity I will take it 0, then I'll give it a stroke, let us say 5, then reduce it like this. Sorry, that's not what I want to do. Sorry. Okay, let's just give it a triangle, then let the opacity should be 100. Okay, just leave it like that, then just take the stroke to 0. Then I'm going to give it this color, then I will reduce the size. Cool, that is okay. Then position it here. We are going to position it at the edge of this shape. Just bring it here. Cool. Then I'll go to my rotate, then I'll rotate it like this. All right, I hope you guys are following. Rotate it like this. Cool. Then bring it down, let it be at the edge of this shape. Now let's check it out. I think I need to rotate it a little bit again, just minus it instead. Let it be 19. Then copy this, then position it at the other hand. Just position it here. So what I will do next is I will go to 3D, then I will rotate it like this, and then click OK, then just adjust it small to the back. Cool, that is okay. So we have achieved that. So what I will do next is I will bring out a shape. Then this time around I will go with this, the one that I go earlier, and then I will take the opacity to 0. For the stroke I will give it 5. Let's give it a 5. Then I will reduce the size. All right, that is okay. Okay, let me go with this. Then let's position it at the center like this. I will bring out this roller and then make use of the rotate. Just rotate it like this to ensure that it's aligned. All right, okay. Sorry. Okay, cool. So The next thing that I will do now, I will just give it a color. Let's give it a color. We are going to give it this yellow. Then I will bring out a shape. Just bring out a white shape. We are going to cut this off. Alright, just position it and then match the two together like this. After you must have done that, then go to your erase color, then erase it like this. So we are going to reduce the size, then position it here. So to make it more easier, let's position it at the center, okay, like this. So we are going to duplicate, okay, we are going to duplicate and then do the same thing, then take it up a little bit. Okay, I think like this should be okay. And then we're going to change the color of this to black instead. Then I will double tap this first one again, do the same thing, then take it up as well. Cool, I think that is okay. And then I will double tap this, do the same. Then let's bring it down. Cool. Position it here. Okay, that is okay. So we're going to merge this together, just merge them together. Cool, that is okay. And then I'll position it here, just position it here like this. I hope you guys are following. Then okay, cool, we'll go with this. So the next thing that I will do here is I will bring out a shape again. Then this time around I will give it this color, and then I will reduce the size. I'll reduce the size like this, and then I will position it here. Okay, cool. I'll position it here, and then I will bring out a text. So to make it easy, I will just double tap this birthday. I will just double tap this because I'm going to use the same phones. That is why I'm double tapping it. So I will just bring out the date. Let's just say online. Then I will position it here. So for the color, we're going to give it a black. Then reduce the size. Okay. Then import it in the inbox like this. Cool, that is okay. So the next thing that I will do is I will copy this again, then do the same thing. Sorry, let me take it up, position it here, then bring it down. So this time around I'm going to change the color of this to black instead. Then I will copy this text, then I will bring the month. Alright, then import it in the box. So for the color, we're going to change it to white. Cool, that is okay. Then I'm going to double tap this shape again, double tap it again, then position it here at the downside. Cool, that is okay. So I'll double tap this, then I'll bring out the year 2025, okay. Then just import it here on the box. Cool, I think that is okay. So what I'll do is I'll just bring out my name. Alright, let's just say at Graphic 247. So you can naturally use your own name to so that if anybody says they will know that it's made by you. So I'll just make this dark like this. And then for the size, I'm gonna reduce the size like this. Then let me bring it out. Okay, then I'll go to spacing, then space it like this, then position it here. Okay, let me just make it 100. Then I'll position it at the by the side like this. Cool, that is okay. So that is how I actually achieve this. Thank you for watching and God bless you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you have anything, please drop it in the comment section. I will surely attend to you. Or if you have any tutorial in mind, drop it in the comment section. I will surely drop it on this channel. Stay connected. See you in the next tutorial.